I love this power strip expander and extender. It allows me to plug my USB charger wires directly into the power strip instead of putting it into a wall charger. Also, it expands the amount of socket so I can charge my laptop without having to worry if the fan can still be plugged in or the floor lamp. Great product. Very high quality cord that won't fray or rip. Charges items quickly and efficiently. Great if you have a lot of devices that need charging, and it has convenient USB spots. Overall, works great and would recommend for anyone interested. What I needed, no complaints thus far. This is a great unit which allows us as a family to charge multiple things at once. We have ours mounted in the kitchen but would work we'll know in office or bedroom too. Charges devices quickly and unit itself is lightweight with a nice long power cord. This power strip is perfect for my mom. She had a phone and an iPad that she needed charging and couldn't charge but one at a time. So, I bought this for her. She can now charge both at the same time, and as an added bonus she can plug in her lamp to it, thus eliminating all the numerous cords. It works well. Charges quickly. I wanted something that looked elegant and had a flat mount to go under my cough. This power strip was a perfect fit for my need. Compact, powerful, and has everything you need to serve your guests and you in your living room. Click link in description for more reviews.